Hello everyone. Today is the day back after my free day off, and by free I mean that I don't get any paid sick days or vacation days, and we had a snow day. It's really bright so it's hard to see, but if you don't live in the same place that I live, don't mind my unfinished shop walls, we did get quite a bit of snow and things. So actually I don't know if we got a ton of snow. We got several inches and it blew a lot, so there was a ton of drifting. You know that feeling you get after you've plowed and shoveled a lot of snow. I don't have that feeling because actually my brother has a tractor and plowed that driveway for us. So anyway, but it got me thinking about road safety and reminded me of a pro tip I have for you guys, and this is free. I know this is like a business page or whatever, but you don't have to pay for this tip, and unless you want to, you can make your checks payable to me. That's fine, and I would gladly cash them. But when you're on the roads, we have a van slash bus kind of vehicle because we have a couple of kids that usually go with us places, but it's usually loud in our van anyway, and there's usually music on in the background. But every once in a while you come up to like a stoplight or something and it'll be red or turning red, and my wife so gently will coach me in my driving and let me know that the light is turning red. And while she says that, she will also reach over at the same time and turn the volume knob down on the radio. And I just wanted, in case anybody didn't know, I wanted you to know that in turning the volume down on the radio, that the light is still going to turn red. It's not going to stay green any longer. But there is great power when you turn that volume knob down, that you would be amazed at what could happen, maybe in your vehicle too. So I don't know, any wives out there while your husband's driving, if you haven't done that yet, you may want to give that a try. Just a coaching tip to him. And again, you don't have to pay me for this tip. Just looking to help anybody out wherever I can.